15. Yeah. We support our dairy farmers, and this song is called Public Enemy versus Crisis in the Dairy Farming Industry. Catchy title. It's actually called Dairy Farming is Harder Than You Think. My father before, thank the Lord they ain't seen what I saw. Tried to put down why I feel such rage. Yeah, I'd love to get paid the minimum wage. No, we don't go lightly into this. Don't go lightly into this fight. Listen up good so you hear it just right. I can't feed my sons and I can't feed my daughter if you're selling my milk for less than you sell water. Just like that, the price goes down like that. Goes down just like that. The price goes just like that. Goes down just like that. The price goes just like that. Goes down just like that. Dairy farming is harder than you think. Yeah. Up before dawn 8 days a week. Feeling so cold that I just can't speak. My girls need milking every day. So what I gotta take? What you're gonna pay? Learn hard way that you just don't care. You can get your milk from just about anyway. Your deal's no deal, you don't mean what you say, but you can't get to work if my tractor's in your way. Just like that, the price goes just like that. Goes down just like that. The price goes just like that. Goes down just like that. The price goes just like that. Goes down just like that. Yeah, no farmers harder than you think. Blame it on Aldi, blame it on Lidl, blame it on the fat cat sitting in the middle. All of them, you know they're right on the fiddle. Money to be made in this rural idyll. NFU, who ain't got a clue? No one knows what the fuck they do. Rich Tory bankers are in on it too, telling inner city kids my cows go moo. Just like that, the price goes just like that. Goes down just like that. The price goes just like that. Goes down just like that. The price goes just like that. Goes down just like that. Dairy farming is harder than you think. Yeah!